Good evening. It is June 4th, 2025. I am in the location that I was in when I recorded my first video for my wrongfully terminated YouTube channel, Divine Feminine Collective. On Easter Sunday of 2023. On that day, I performed mass exorcism in the city of Fresno. YouTube keeping my wrongfully terminated channel terminated is the main reason why God is sending natural disasters to this planet during this time. There will be no mercy for covering up the truth about who I am and what has been done to me. I am not a normal human. I do not belong on the streets. Send another flood, God. Send another hailstorm. Send another fire. Send some more earthquakes. Some more volcanoes. Some more tornadoes. Get rid of these evil things who are censoring me. Send another solar flare. Keep sending them. These evil scum do not deserve to exist. Restore my channel, you evil liar!